let us discuss this example. You are given this diagram, and from this diagram you are asked to write pairs of adjacent angles, pairs of linear angles in linear pair, and pairs of vertically opposite angles. Let me try to write as many as I can. Now first of all, the easy part I will complete first. Pairs of angles in linear pair. What is meant by angles in linear pair? Uncommon arm should form a straight line and one arm should be common. So let me see first the straight lines over here. Easily I will get the angles in linear pair. Now this is one straight line. Is it so? So what can I write? How can I write the angles in linear pair over here? Concentrate on this. See, if I consider this straight line, and if this arm if I consider, may I say angle POA and angle POB are angles in linear pair. Try to understand. Angle POA and angle POB. POA and POB are in linear pair. Or even I can say angle AOR. Try to understand. Angle AOR and see AOR, and then which one it will be? ROB. So these two angles are formed. Not only these two, I can even consider this side of this line. And which two angles can I have then? Angle AOQ and angle BOQ. Can I say so? Angle AOQ and angle BOQ. Now let me consider this straight line. Now along this straight line, and if this ray if I consider, then may I say the next pair of angles in linear pair as angle POR and angle ROQ. Can I say so? See, POR is this angle and ROQ is this angle. Do they form a straight angle? That is a straight line over here. That is, they are in angles in linear pair. Or even I can consider angle POB and angle BOQ. Okay, or as I said before, even along this straight line I can consider these two angles also. Which are they? Angle POA and angle AOQ. So these many pairs of angles in linear pair I can write over here. Now adjacent angles. See, adjacent angles means what? They should have one vertex common and one arm common. Now if I consider these as a common arm, then can I say first pair, see ROB and POR. Can I say they are adjacent angles? ROB, vertex is common, one arm is common, and interiors are disjoint. Or can I say the another pair? ROB and angle BOQ. Just see, I am saying ROB and BOQ. One vertex common, one arm common, interiors are disjoint. Even I can say angle BOQ and angle QOA. Now see, you can see this pair here also. So these are the angles which are adjacent as well as in linear pair. Understood? So adjacent angles can be in linear pair, can or cannot be in linear pair, but angles in linear pair are always adjacent. That you can easily remember now. Not only this, even I can say so many I can write. You can try them. POA, this angle, and this angle POB. Or even I can say POA and angle POB. Sorry, I wrote it. Angle POA and angle POB. POA and POR I want to see. Now see once more. POA and POB. You can see this over here also. So these are the angles in linear pair. They can also be supplementary. Okay, all these pairs you can find here, you can add them over here. Is that clear, the difference between adjacent angles and linear paired angles? Now let us write few pairs of vertically opposite angles. For getting vertically opposite, we must concentrate on straight lines. So this, now I am drawing with yellow chalk straight lines. Okay, so which can be the pairs of vertically opposite angles here? This and this angle. So vertically opposite angles, angle POA and angle BOQ. Are you all able to understand this? I hope you can. Secondly, which one can I say? Another pair is angle POB and angle AOQ. These are the vertically opposite angles. Now there won't be any more vertically opposite angles formed because these are the only straight lines which are intersecting each other. If I modify this figure like this, then I can get some more pairs of vertically opposite angles. Then if I consider this straight line and this straight line, I know I am making the figures complicated, but it is necessary to develop your ability to analyze. See, concentrate on these darkened lines. Forget about this now. Then which one can I say are the vertically up? If it is so, in this figure it was not possible. Now I have changed the figure. So I can say this angle and this angle is vertically opposite, one pair of vertically opposite angles, and this angle and this angle is another pair of vertically opposite angles. I will use the different color chalk so you will better understand it. Is that clear to you? Everything about this? Okay, thank you.